this is Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing with another video on how to make some money. If you have a spare room and you have done your spring clean, you can see that in the other video, and the decluttering, another video, then obviously you can make it so that it's really nice to have for guests. You know, having a proper guest room instead of a spare room is very handy to have. There are a lot of what do you call them, outfits out there, lots of businesses out there where you can list your room and you can get somebody in. If you prefer not to have somebody stay with you for a long time, these short-term options are very handy to have. A lot of hotels and motels are on them as well, and hostels, but some of them are also good for private homes where there is a spare room. A good way to make a little bit of extra money, and the only thing that I would say is don't undersell yourself, because you do have to do the cleaning and you have to provide the linen and you've got to wash the linen and etc. So don't give away your room. Make sure that you are asking enough money for it. I mean, the hotels and motels that are on there, they still charge their normal room rate. So yeah, take that and take it half, make it half, and then see if that's what you would like to charge for it. When you have your room listed on one of these websites, then you'll notice when the best months are, the best months for tourism in your country, or even people that work away from home for a little bit, like they come from the capital to come and stay at your place because they have to do some business with one of their outfits close to where you live. It's a great way to meet new people. It's a great way to make a little bit of money with not that much effort. All you have to do is have your room ready when they arrive. Say hi, how are you, and show them where everything is. You can, if you want to provide food, you will mention that on the website as well. And other than that, I don't know, if they are staying a bit longer, give them clean sheets and a fresh towel, and you know, done. So it's a good way to make some money with your spare room if you don't want to have any boarders that are staying for like a year or longer. On most of these sites you can say that the guest has to stay a minimum amount of nights, so you don't have to accept guests just for the one night, because then obviously it will cost you money with the washing and the cleaning, etc. Say minimum 2 nights, 3 nights, that's much more feasible if you actually want to get some profit out of it, really. So you can do a maximum stay with most of these websites as well, and quite regularly you'll get tourists that are traveling around the country and they just want to check out your city for say 2 days, so they might stay 3 nights, you know, that kind of stuff. It's a good idea to think about. And if you have either your children staying, you know, if you share custody with your children, or you have a guest, a relative, whatever, coming over, you can block off those nights really easily, and then your room is available for the people who you love. Very easy. I actually have a friend who does that. He has 2 children and he only has them on Friday, Saturday nights. So those nights for him are always blocked off. He has his children in those rooms and that's fine. On the other nights, he'll be able to host for anybody else who would like to stay. The only thing is that he can only host for a maximum of 5 nights, because then his children are coming and nobody can stay in the rooms because his children are there. So it's a very easy way to manage who stays in your rooms. And on the websites themselves, I'm sure they have all the information available, and I think it's a good way to make some money with your house anyway. So start your spring clean, start your decluttering, make sure you have all nice furniture in there, like your comfortable bed and all sorts of stuff, and start checking out those websites. Soon you'll be making money with your spare room, making money with your house and your home. And you'll be meeting a lot of new friends. And then when you're over your money worries and you have enough money to actually go traveling, you might even go and visit any of these people. It's a really good goal to work towards anyway. I really like traveling, so if I earn money, it usually goes towards traveling. Anyway, this was Yvonna from Enjoy Your Life Coaching and Healing with another tip on how to make more money. Good luck with everything, and if you have any questions, just drop a line down below. Subscribe to my channel and have a look at all the videos on the playlist Money Vlog if you're interested in making more money or saving more money. And we'll see you at the next video. Take care.